This course has been authored by Evergreen Technology. This company has been active in teaching online courses in computer vision, natural language processing, and SaaS system development. The company has authored several courses in machine learning as well as deep learning, as well as several SaaS systems like Elasticsearch, image similarity search, and also how can you do machine learning and deep learning inside the Elasticsearch and even outside the Elasticsearch, like techniques used like deep learning as well as k-nearest neighbor, and also image processing technologies like image morphology, image processing, also image convolution. Basically, the goal is to really familiarize the users with the fundamentals, the basics of image processing, so that they can build onto the knowledge to develop world-class applications. The company has over 20 years of experience in Fortune 500 companies, and the author who's working for that company has developed several highly scalable applications in those companies. So I have a blog which is published on Evergreen online. Let's see the blog. So this is my blog. So I author blog on technology as well as machine learning. So these are my blogs. So I have blogged on career growth of a software engineer, then what a manager needs to do for about the annual performance reviews, then image smoothing, how can you do a fundamental image smoothing, what are the techniques that you can use like Gaussian blur, bilateral blur, then also using image morphology techniques using like dilation, opening, closing, and you can use those techniques to manipulate the images. Then I have a blog on fundamentals of image convolutions. I will teach you basics behind the image convolutions. And again, another blog on fundamentals of image processing. From time to time, I also have few courses on building recommendation engine. From time to time, I give up, make my courses free so that student can take advantage of it. So I am also on LinkedIn, and I keep publishing whenever my new course is published using this handle, Evergreen LLC 2020. I am also active on Twitter. You can see from time to time various articles published on Twitter as well. So whenever I publish a new course, I usually go and publish my blog articles and also the courses on Twitter. So you can follow me on the Twitter if you want to stay up to date on what courses I am publishing. Similarly, you can stay with me on LinkedIn as well. This is my LinkedIn handle. I keep publishing my courses from time to time. So these are the several courses, and I also give a lot of offers. So if you want to stay in touch with me, you can also follow me on my LinkedIn. Then I am also on Udemy. So on Udemy, if you go and just search for my company, Evergreen Technologies, you will see a lot of courses that I have published. I have courses published on image editing and design with Photoshop, then some natural language processing application with machine learning like document classification, then a gentle introduction to deep learning neural networks, then a chatbot for Slack, a simple image classification using k-nearest neighbor, language detection using fast text, then a couple of courses on recommendation using engine for books and songs, that is you doing a collaborative filtering. Then I have also courses on fundamentals of image processing, some sentiment analysis, machine learning in the Elasticsearch, then ranking search results using machine learning in the Elasticsearch, mastering react.js, image smoothing, image morphology, nunit testing, text classification, word embeddings, JMock, and image convolutions, right? So all of these courses are available at very, very nominal cost, and these courses are mainly aimed at beginners. So if you really want to get a head start on your career and really want to make sure you learn those technologies as soon as possible, in a basic fundamental way, so that you really understand intricate details of what is going inside the algorithm. Because I feel when you understand the basics really well, then you are in a better position to apply that knowledge rather than superficially just learning couple of just a couple of lines in the code and just applying without even understanding. I also have open source all of my code. So this is my GitHub repo. So this is my GitHub profile, and this is my GitHub repo. I just have one repo, which is the computer vision, and all my code is open source and it's available here. And this is very step-by-step code with a step-by-step instruction. So this is a companion in addition to my course. So for example, if you go to any of the IPython notebooks, I have given a step-by-step instructions on how can you apply several techniques, and you can follow those techniques, and each line at each step, logical step, you can execute the code and see how our output looks like. So a lot of interactive nature of coding when you're using my code. Yeah. So please feel free to get in touch with me at any point in time using any one of those social networks, and I'll be happy to talk to you. I'm also active in other areas like technology consultant or interviewing candidates for your company, and also providing consultation on multi-thread applications, scalable applications, because I've been working in this industry for a very long time. So if you need my help at any point in time, just get in touch with me using any one of my social handles. Thank you.